The city officially has a new health commissioner, Dr. Ashwin Vasan, taking over this week for his predecessor, Dave Chokshi, at a time of cautious optimism in New York's fight against COVID-19.
Jessica Formoso caught up with the doctor one-on-one to hear about his plans to lead the city through the next phases of the pandemic.
Amazing. I mean, this is a crown jewel in public health in this city, in this country, in the world, and it's just an incredible honor to be leading it.
With just 2 days on the job, the city's 44th health commissioner spoke one-on-one with us. Dr. Ashwin Vasan is a Chicago native, a husband, father of 3, and a doctor with extensive experience. He takes over the city's health department at a time when COVID cases are low, with a positivity rate of 1.36%.
Look, it's all really encouraging. We've come out of a really difficult winter where we were seeing case positivity rates up to 40%.
With BA.2, a subvariant of Omicron already spreading in parts of the world, Dr. Vasan tells us it has been detected in New York City too.
We haven't seen any signs that it causes more severe illness. Number 2, we see good evidence that our existing vaccines offer strong protection against it.
What will happen and how would you lead us if there is another wave?
We have more tools in our toolkit today than we've ever had during the pandemic, and so I think we're more prepared than ever to respond to whatever the pandemic throws at us. And so when you ask me how I'll lead, I'm going to lead on the basis of science, on the basis of strong values, including equity.
Vaccination, he says, remains key. 77% of New Yorkers are vaccinated, but more work still needs to be done, particularly among children ages 5 to 11.
We're very excited. On Monday, we're launching a new vaccination campaign with our colleagues at the Department of Education.
As to whether more mandates will be lifted, including the private sector vaccine mandate, the doctor says only the science will determine that.
Look, I want nothing more than that day to come and for me to be able to sit here and tell you the pandemic is over and that we're in total control. When that day comes is when we can reevaluate the need for mandatory vaccination.
In Long Island City, I'm Jessica Formoso, Fox 5 News.